A solid consisting of a right circular cone. This is right circular cone of height 120. This height is 120 centimeters, and radius means from center to this is given as 60 centimeters, standing on a hemisphere. This cone is standing on a hemisphere of radius same 60 centimeters, is placed upright in a right circular cylinder. This is cylinder, right circular cylinder, full of water up to the brim, such that it touches the bottom. This touches the bottom of the cylinder. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder. If you want to find the water left in the cylinder, the water going out of this cylinder is nothing but the volume of this one. If you subtract the volume of this cone plus hemisphere from the cylinder, you will get the volume of water left in the cylinder. Therefore, volume of the water left in the cylinder is equal to, what is the measurements? What are the measurements of cylinder? 60 centimeters is the height of the cylinder, and if the radius is 60 and the height is 180. This is 180 centimeters. What is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square. H is here and here also. Therefore, consider this as capital H for cylinder. Then you have to subtract the volume of this cone as well as hemisphere. What is the volume of hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube, minus volume of this cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is capital H, this is H. This is for cylinder, this H is of cone. Now, pi is common in all the terms. Pi is same 22 by 7. R is same for this cone and hemisphere and as well as this cylinder. Therefore, r square, r cube, r square means you can common r square. If you common pi r square, it is left with h, minus it is pi r square means here is r 2 by 3. 2 by 3 r minus here pi r square is common. It is left with h by 3. That is 1 by 3 h. Now substitute the values. Pi is 22 by 7. R square radius is for all 60 only. Therefore, r square means 60 into 60. What is h? Height is 180. Height of the cylinder minus 2 by 3 into what is r? Radius is 60 minus 1 by 3 into what is the height? Height means here pi r square h is 1/3 pi r square h cone. Therefore, height is 120. 3 4 times 0 3 20s. Therefore, it is left with 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 3600 and 180 minus this is 220 is 40 minus 41 is 40. 180 minus 40, 40, 80. 180 minus 80 is 100. 22 into 3600 into, this is 100 by 7. The product of these numbers is 7920000 by 7. If you divided it, you will get 1131428.57. This is centimeter cube. If you want the answer in meters, how many centimeters make a meter? 100. Therefore, 100 into 3 times centimeter cube. Therefore, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. That means the decimal moves to left. 2, 2, 2. Then 1.1314131 according to textbook, 131 meter cube. Otherwise, you can calculate by dividing this by 60, 6 zeros. You will get how much? 792 by 100. 700. 7 into 100. Divide this number by 7. You will get a small number 1131. Then put decimal. You will get the same answer.